Lovely and cooly this morning, guys. Check out this bad boy. Polaris Ranger XP1000. She's getting all the fruit and berries. Roof bracing is out, the roof lining's out. Getting ready to put the roof bracing in, guys. We'll give you a few stories throughout the day and show you step by step as we go. Look at that roof brace kit ready to go straight in. So this roof brace, it's designed to go in with the carpet. So we trim a bit of carpet out and we've got these custom made plates here to finish it all off so it looks professional and done to a good standard. So that will show you how all that goes in at the same time. And the light that Mitch is running on this buggy will be a 10 and 3/8 inch night eater. And we're putting our big thermal bracket kit on with the quick release mount built in the bottom. She'll have the DC converter in it, power your thermal. We already have the condor, HIC micro condor CQ35L 1.0 in our cradle. We're getting all this plumbed up, ready to rock and roll. Rightio, so the first step's done. We've got the main roof brace in. This plays a major part in thermal stability while operating the machine, so we bolt it from one cross member to the next. One of the main reasons why we do it. Everything in these kits, guys, is all done for a reason. Rightio, so we'll keep you posted as we go through. Righty guys, so we've got the roof bracing all in. We're doing the final touches on it. We've got the wiring going through the battery. Just hop out for a sec, please, Henry. I'll give you a look. So the battery's under here, guys. We've got our midi fuse and midi fuse mount in here, which is just here. So that's our midi fuse. That runs the whole system. We've got two wires hanging out the back of the cab ready to go with Deutsch plugs on them. So if you want to run work lights, any of that sort of jazz, etc., you can. So we just got the roof brace in. There's the wires run along the top for the console. Along here, we've got all our roof bracing in. We're doing the final touches on it. We just cut the carpet out in under there so it all fits. And the boys are just all over it here. And we're putting all the carpet back in now. And the roof console and the handle, finishing everything off. This roof's a little bit different than the older ones. This is a North Star. It's got a couple of ribs in it. You can see the gap there. We'll fill that up with silicone and finish it off nicely. Rightio, so Harry's in here, guys. We got the console bolted in, the power beam handle in. So if you've got a power beam handle, guys, the housing drops in from on the top of the roof. And then this alloy plate goes in, that's threaded, and it goes in that way. You put the roof console hard up against the roof brace. Or if you've got a blazer handle, you'd put the housing in from the inside of the cab, and you go the blazer handle housing first, then the console, so the console's hard up against the roof brace. So now we're just testing everything. We've got a big night eater on this one. She's a hell of a setup. Got all the roof bracing. We just got to do the final touches on the light, on the wiring. Thermal's getting charged. She's all coming together. What else we got, man? That's about everything. So it's all designed of working with the carpet. Obviously, these are very expensive machines, and we want our gear to have the standard to go with it. So it finishes it off very well. Put the lids on now and finish the wiring harness off, and we'll give you another quick look. Righto, guys, Friday afternoon, and she's all together. Polaris XP1000 North Star Edition. It is a really good looking machine, guys. Check this out. So we've got 9-inch power beam, all the WGIA fruit and berries. HIC micro condor CQ35L 1.0. Very good thermal. Come in and have a look in the cab, guys. Check out the roof brace kit on this. So she's all finished. All your fuses, all the gears in the console. Check out the finish on it. All made to go in with the carpet. So the handle comes off as well, guys. And it all fits in uniform with the carpet like it's all meant to be there. So there you have it, guys. Jump in here, give it a quick flick around. Windscreen comes up. It's got a light bar up on the top as well. So smooth and easy to flick around with a big light. And look at that, guys, just sits there. How good's that? Too easy, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Monday we'll be doing another rig. We'll be doing rigs every week.